Alright guys, just turned around, road is clear, here we go. Oh. Alright. Oh. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh my god. Yep. Can't really do anything with it. God damn it. That sucks, guys. Oh my god. Yep. Not the kind of first run we want to get. Let's see if I can get my GPS out of here. Oh my god. GPS is still tracking. 187. Well, it would have been a PB. Can't believe that, guys. Fuck. I really can't believe it flipped on me. I haven't had this car do that to me, and I know what I hit, but it was the dip that's in the road. But man, that's frustrating.